I'm Deborah McCusker, and I am one of the instructors in Introduction to Computers, and I'd like to walk you through the launching of your first training from Moodle and using the SAM tool. So I am in the Productivity Apps section on our Moodle course, and I'm going to click the 00.01 Productivity Apps Training, and from there the SAM tool will launch. If for some reason you do not get this pop-up window, I will recommend that you look up in the browser web address bar on your browser and make sure there isn't a red slash or some other red icon indicating that pop-ups are being blocked. If that is the case, then you'll need to click on that icon and then enable pop-ups and try launching the application again from Moodle. Alright, the first thing that we see is that we are on task 1 of 24. So we know right off the bat there'll be 24 things that we need to do to complete this entire assignment. The second thing we notice is that we're in the intro phase, and that for this particular task there are 4 possible views or phases: intro, observe, practice, and apply. For your very first task, it is probably a good idea to go through all 4 of those stages so that you can get your feet wet with using the tool. Intro will give you an overview and a background about what it is you are about to achieve. In this case, we are creating a notebook using the Microsoft tool OneNote. Then Observe will carry you through the task in exactly as we see, observe mode. So we'll be watching the tool complete the task. So let's do that. We're going to observe, and we'll click to play the observe.
Click the File tab on the ribbon. Backstage view opens. Click New. OneNote displays the new notebook gallery. Click this PC to select the location for the new notebook. Click in the notebook name text box and then type Spring as the name of the notebook. Click the Create Notebook button. OneNote creates the notebook in the OneNote Notebooks folder in the Documents folder.
Alright, the observe mode is complete, as we can see, and now we are able to select another mode. As you can see, we are not forced to use any particular mode, but the next one in natural progression would be practice. So let's practice. And
click the File tab on the ribbon.
And in practice mode, we're given little bite-sized chunks of motions to do to complete the overall task. So I'm told exactly where to place my mouse pointer and what to do. Click.
Backstage view opens. Click New.
So now I will find the red box with New and click that position.
OneNote displays the new notebook gallery. Click this PC to select the location for the new notebook.
So I am actually moving the mouse to the correct location and clicking.
Click in the notebook name text box and then type Spring as the name of the notebook.
So I will click in that box and type spring as indicated.
Click the Create Notebook button.
I'm clicking Create Notebook.
OneNote creates the notebook in the OneNote Notebooks folder in the Documents folder.
Alright, so I've practiced in a way that gave me a tactile interaction with the screen, and now I should be able to apply, which is doing the task completely on my own. So I will apply, and at this point I'm not given any particular instructions other than over here in the right, create a notebook named Spring in the default folder on this PC. Click File, right. Click New, choose this PC, and I want to use the name Spring as I did in the practice. Click Create Notebook, and now I'm told that my apply is complete, and we can see that I have been moved over to task 2 of 24. So what have we taken away? We've taken away that each task has some one or more sub-choices to phase us through learning how to do this particular task. The proper order, if we want to call it that, is intro, observe, practice, and apply. But how we get credit is by completing the apply step. So as you become comfortable with a particular topic, you may find that it is not necessary to do all 3 of the intro, observe, and practice. You may want to just skip directly to apply, or you may want to practice and then apply. In any case, when you complete apply, then you get credit for that task. And we can look at the task list and see that the check mark inside the green circle indicates that we have indeed gotten credit for the create a notebook step. And you just progress through until you have completed all the tasks. I hope this is helpful as an introduction to your first exposure to SAM.